어디 사회디 더드네 마파 이파트네 안론하니 잠이 슌사이게 리기래 안로 대가리 주버르시 남식이겠다 저저디 다디르시 사마 캐나다기 중기 단달랑가 따도 진이래 딜라니 간조 쉬는 초조기 니 콩랑 공부셔야다 딘디기 까민낭데 요래 야 그러니 간조다
They probably have a camera too.
Yeah. 저 세디 뚜뚜 파가요다 티베탄 맞지 고다왜 니 참아달라 슈리 콘돌라 페레 스메라타기 수연이 상황하나 소리 까딘 참아 태면다 고야다니 근데 타디난데샤 한디 데미 슌자 이래 캐나다 토론토 네팔 오토와 버전 शुरू 건다 나야래 아니 딜라 태면다 홍콩 코난 상마요래
Truth that our people are getting killed, tortured, detained. With this truth, eventually we will seek freedom for our people in Tibet, in Hong Kong, in East Turkestan, in southern Mongolia, and rest of China. Because truth cannot be suppressed for too long. It has always prevailed. If you look at history, no matter how long it takes, for Tibetans, it has been going on for now 63, 65 years now. But regardless of how many years it takes, China may change the course of history for us. China may spread disinformation on Tibet, on Uyghurs, on Hong Kong, but we have truth on our side. Especially for Tibetans, Uyghurs, and Hong Kong people who are fighting inside Tibet, inside China. Much respect to them. As long as we have that determination to speak up, we will always be there. So once again, our collaboration, our solidarity like this today is very important because this is what China is afraid of. Their insecurity is based on the unity that we show on places like this, on places in Ottawa, in Toronto, at different levels, whether it is protest, whether it is advocacy of the government. We do it together, we will do it together. Thank you.
Thank you so much. In front of you. Because even I'm standing on the free land of Canada,
I can still hear the crying and howling across the ocean. I can feel the pain when police beaten those innocent people. I can see the affection of innocent people being sent to concentration camp. I can smell the blood of people being tortured and persecuted in jail. And I can sense the desperation of being locked without food, without water. Therefore, my human conscience stops me from silence. From very 73 power to fight and defend our system, our value of democracy and our freedom. Thank you.
Now we have
complete takeover of Hong Kong. Internationally, China has become the political and economic bully to the world by the wolf warrior diplomacy, the One Belt, One Road initiative, the occupation of disputed territories in the South China Sea, and the threat of attack on Taiwan. The undue influence of our politicians and community, and most egregious of all, the harassment of Canadian citizens and critics right here in this land. We at the Toronto Association for Democracy in China have stood by with all who, although visually impaired, has stood up courageously to the Hong Kong police during the 2019 protests. And for what she has done, she has been forced to go into exile. My friends,
Thank you.
Hello, everybody. First of all, I would like to thank the Canadian government to allow me to stay here for a while. But my purpose and my aims here are to fight for democracy and fight against Chinese Communist parties. Chinese Communist Party is found to be a terrorist organization in Hong Kong and all over the world. I remember that when it is 1960s, when the Chinese troops went to Tibetans start to escape from China. At that time, my father also escaped from China to Hong Kong. It changed my life, but I have never thought that I will be in exile one day. So it is a very, it is a tragedy. And then, in Hong Kong, many people are now in prison, and most of them, and as far as I know 30 of them are now in prison. For the total years of their terms of serving in prison in Hong Kong, because of they participate in the demonstration, is more than 3,000 law enforcement officers prosecuted. So that is very, very unfair. In China, the situation is very, very terrible. Many training camps are established. So please, free Tibet, free East Turkestan, free South Mongolia, free Hong Kong, and stand with Taiwan. And lastly, I want to say, the Chinese PPC want to eliminate our culture, our language, but we will keep saying, we will keep preserving our own culture. They want to close our eyes or eliminate our or forfeit our eyesight. using.
Thank you very much. Today is October the 1st, 2073rd anniversary, what they call it, they founded the People's Republic of China. 73 years of oppression, not only the Chinese people, but other ethnic too, and other countries too. And 73 years, what they have done. Remarkably, first of all,
but it is not on the other side for which we are standing here all together. My name is Dawa. I'm representing Team Peace Rally Marathon for Tibet 2022. We are starting this rally marathon from Toronto to Montreal, Montreal to Ottawa, and Ottawa to back to Toronto. So we are covering almost 1,300 kilometers in these 19 days. So we have three demands for Government of Canada and world communities. Those are the resumption of Sino-Tibet dialogue. The second is release all the political prisoners and 11 Panchen Lama of Tibet. And the third and last one is return of His Holiness the Dalai Lama in Tibet. So we have so many communities present here beside Tibetan community. So we urge and request everyone to follow us, support us. We have a social media page, we have Instagram page, we have Facebook page. Please like, share, and support, and try to make everyone hear what we are standing here today. And Tiktik is Peace Rally Marathon during Denmark Gotsugore during say Chugubadu and those Gotsuna and Denmark Montreal Toronto ne Montreal ne Ottawa ne to Toronto tari the China Chuba gi say Chugu nanzo de jora gi the those chashi thing the zani mimang gang mama de penan sha ni chapna mo de kuche na shoy. Thank you. All right, guys.
nga 산인 연주기 비리비다 처마기 철교대에 되는 것 공존전에 넘버 데는 양아 또 도면동기 결자지다 가다치페인 제가 또 저도 산인 여비기 비민 처마기 철교기 주행이 되잖아.
Support Taiwan! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Hong Kong! Free Vietnam!
China out! Stop the killing! In Tibet! Stop the killing! In Tibet! Stand with Taiwan! Stand for Taiwan! Stand with Taiwan! Stand for Taiwan! Free Hong Kong! Free Hong Kong! Free Hong Kong! Free Hong Kong! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! CCP! Shame! Shame! CCP! Free Tibet! China out! Free Tibet! China out! Free yogurt! China out! Free yogurt! China out! Free yogurt! China out! Free Hong Kong! China out! Free Hong Kong! China out! Free Vietnam! Out! 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 Release the Panchen Lama now!
Release the Panchen Lama now!
Release the Panchen Lama now!
Stand with Taiwan!
Stand with Taiwan!
Stand with Taiwan!
Stop the killings! Stop the killing. Stop the killing. In Tibet. Stop the genocide. In Tibet. Stop the genocide. In Tibet. China, China, China. Out, out, out. China, China, China. Out, out, out. Shame, shame. Tibet. Free Uyghurs. Free Uyghurs. Free Hong Kong. Free Vietnam. Free Vietnam. Taiwan. Taiwan. Stop the killing. Stop the killing. Stop all the policy decision making process in Canada. In Tibet! In Tibet! In Tibet! In Tibet! In Tibet! In Tibet! Thank you, Sunny. Thank you.
Sorry, I'm going to say a few words in Tibetan.
Thank you.